Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarokaatuh. Hello everyone, how you doing? I hope you're doing well, and I hope you're always in a good condition. So in today's video, I would like to make a tutorial video about problem solving in terms of coding, of course, IT tutorial. And I use Dart language. Well, basically Dart is a programming language that is developed by Google. So basically it's like a upgraded version of JavaScript. Yeah, because of JavaScript has many weakness, and so Google make a new language and it called Dart. So okay, right here I make some list of cases that we want to solve right here. Okay, so like usual, I use Visual Studio Code to write my code, and let's just get started. So right here we have a case. The first case is we want to convert the data type. For example, right here I will just explain about this code. So right here in the first line we have a variable and the data type is string. So right here is string. Inside the string we write 1, 2, and 3. So now we want to convert this string data type into integer, which is number. So now we can make a new variable, and the data type is integer right here, and this is the name of the variable. And we can use these things, int dot parse, and we insert the variable number of the string variable right here. So str number right here, and if we print the integer number, the output will be 1, 2, 3. And in fact this is an integer, not a string, like so. And now we want to convert from string to integer, just like above. Just like this code, we make a variable right here, but the data type is integer, and we write 4, 5, 6, and the name is another int, right? And now we want to convert the integer into string, so we make new variable with the data type string data type, and we write the name is another str. So we can use this code, another int. First we need to declare the variable name, another int, to string. Okay, so we use this and we use this to string. It means that we want to convert the content of this variable to string. So when we use this code, the output will be 4, 5, 6, like so. We can try. Okay, let's copy this code and paste it right here. So we can run by writing this dart run main dart, because we want to run this file. Okay, just press enter. So we could see right here the data type of the first one, 1, 2, 3, is integer, while the second one is string, because we convert this integer to string. Okay, so now let's just try a real life case. So right here we can make string and then age string and then we could write, for example, 21. So don't forget about the semicolon, it's important, this thing. Okay, so we made a variable and the name is age string, like so. And then we want to convert this age string into integer. For example, we can write int and then age equal, we use this one, int parse, we use int parse, and the source is age string, like so. And don't forget the semicolon. So for example, we have an application and the application is like a register application. So it's a form and you need to register yourself. Inside the form there is your name, age, and something like that. So we want the user, if the user is under 18, he cannot register, but if the user is above 18, he could register. So we can write a condition if, and then age is for example this one, if age is more than 18, print you could register. So don't forget the semicolon and you could write else. If the age is under 18, print you can not register. Or you can write like you are under 18. So don't forget the semicolon. See, and if you run the file, the input and the output will be you could register, because right here is 21, because 21 is above 18. If we write, for example, 16 and we run, the output will be you are under 18. So like that. Well, maybe in this video I only discuss about this case only, about the convert the data type, and give you an example of the real life case. Well, maybe that's all. I'm sorry if there are many mistakes in my delivering in this video. So maybe that's all. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to click the like button if you like this video, and please leave some comment and give me some suggestion if you have a suggestion for me. Well, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.